What is happening, automotive fanatics? It's Peter, your automotive fanatic, coming at you guys for a very short product review. Those of you that have followed my channel and have been searching for a company that makes some great all-weather floor mats, I want to go ahead and reintroduce you to a company called Lasfit. I recently acquired a 2024 Tacoma Tundra, and the first company that I thought about when I wanted to replace my factory mats with an all-weather floor mat was Lasfit. The nice thing that you will like about these, they are actually computer generated, meaning that Lasfit pretty much scans the vehicle to make a perfect mold of the interior of your car. Now, when you do order floor mats from Lasfit, one of the things that I recommend is obviously open up the box. You're going to need to put the floor mats out into the sun to let them kind of warm up, and they will reshape themselves. So without further ado, let's go ahead, take a look at what I have for the Tundra, and we're gonna go ahead and fit them in. Here we have the Lasfit mats, and what I did was I did go ahead, take them out of the box. I left them in the sun for a couple of hours so that they could become a little more pliable and soft and essentially reshape themselves to the design. You've got the passenger side of the Tundra here. Nothing available. The factory ones were extremely cheaply built. You have a little nipple here, as well as right here. A little difficult to see due to the shadowing. Here's the driver's side. Kind of the same thing. You've got nipples here that will hold the mats in place. Driver's side, absolutely perfect fit. Molds the carpeting well. I love the fact they do have these little nipples here that turn and lock the mat in. Look at this, just perfect. Fits real well. Passenger side, perfect fit. Here is the black fitment of the Lasfit, and you can tell it is just a perfect fit, even down to the spacing of the seatbelt here. It fits right underneath. Really nice here. Even the cut to the center console is perfect, as you would expect. Now that you have seen how well the Lasfit floor mats fit in my Tundra, I'm going to go ahead and provide you guys a link below to their website where you can order floor mats, and you can order a plethora of different accessories that Lasfit creates for your vehicle. Please also consider subscribing to the channel, as it does help the channel kind of increase its exposure through the YouTube algorithm. So until the very next video that I see you guys here, this is Peter, your automotive fanatic, signing off.